This is a 2-pack of smoke detectors by Kidde, and it also has a 10-year battery life. How awesome is that? And this is a 2-pack. It also comes with 2 mounting hardwares. There's 2 screws as well as 2 anchors. Also comes with user manuals, and this is the smoke detector. It's very easy to assemble, and all you have to do is drill 2 holes into your ceiling, and then you install the anchors, and then you install the screws. Then once you do that, the battery is already sealed inside. And then all you have to do is twist, and then once you twist it all the way, the battery is now activated and you're able to test it out. There you go. Simple as that. It comes with a user manual, and it also comes with screws and anchors too. And here's a close-up of the smoke detector. You install the anchors and the screws into your ceiling, and that's where it goes, and then you twist a little bit so it stays in place. And then the battery is inside here. So all you have to do is twist it on here, and then once you hear that, then you know it is twisted on. And then make sure to test it out every so often. Definitely recommend it in every household. It is essential. You should have one in every bedroom as well as in the hallway too. So definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.